Fuck you. You're wearing cement shoes to the fucking Hudson. You motherfucker.
You're a homeless, unemployed motherfucking retard.
My daddy is a mob boss, and he will put cement shoes on you, and you will drown, motherfucker.
You need to dress, bitch. I ain't afraid of you, motherfucker.
Won't you come over here? Won't you come over here and face him?
Where you at, bitch?
You ain't man enough. Because you ain't man enough. Your dick is 1 inch long. Fuck you. You can't
Oh, look, motherfucker.
fuck.
You nasty fuck.
You can't do nothing but piss and shit and just cuss. That's all you can do. Fuck you. You're going to the Hudson with cement shoes. Look over your shoulder, motherfucker. Look over your shoulder. My daddy is the mob boss, and he will take care of this.
You talk about cock a lot.